Alright, I'm back. Sorry for the weird angle, but I need to be over a sink. I'm about to clean some suede shoes. I hope you guys can hear me because New York does not ever know how to be quiet, but whatever. Alright, so what you're gonna need, things you're gonna need, let's jump right into it. You're gonna need a little container, something like this, something easy. You're gonna need some suede shoes, which today I'm gonna be using some dark navy. Yeah, dark navy shoes from Mirrorman. I don't exactly know the model name, but Goodyear welted. Doing it for a good friend of mine. Gonna clean these up. They actually look in pretty good shape, so I'm not really sure what does he want me to do, but be my guest. I make them look even better. Copy. And also needs a Sapphire. This is the Omni. Don't come for me in the comment section. I'm gonna butcher the name. Just notice Just know that this is for the cleaning of nubuck and suede. Gonna be using that. Put it back up. Yep, there we go. That's the name. Sorry guys if it's too dark. But yeah, open it up and show you what it looks like. This is the shampoo. Comes in a glass container, I like that. Recycle. Also comes with a little brush. But I don't think I'm gonna use this brush. I think I'm gonna use a brush I got from the laundress. I'm gonna use that brush. I feel like that brush is a little bit better than this one, but alright, yeah. So this is the brush I got from the laundress. Picked it up. Definitely is gonna be online. It's focusing. I don't know if it's gonna focus, but whatever. This is the brush from the laundress. I'll leave the links down in the description bar if you guys want to check out any of these products. Most likely, if you guys are here, you probably saw some of these products and you guys know what it's about. But if you want to see a tutorial, stay with me. Thank you very much. Let's get into it. Temperature of the water doesn't matter. Just fill it up a little bit. That's most likely all you're gonna need. You don't really need that much water. It's okay. You're gonna use the solution to dilute it anyway. Use it very sparingly. A little goes a long way. All right. So we're just gonna dip. Ooh. There we go. I think that's enough. A little bit more. Ooh. Don't pour the whole thing, but that's all I use, just a little bit. Still have a lot left. When I first got this, I'm like, I think I'm gonna run out pretty quick, but I used this twice and it's already at this level. I think I'm gonna be okay. But yeah, so just stir that around. Get your shoes. And then just circular motions on the suede. Guys, don't be afraid to get suede wet. Suede can definitely hold up from getting wet, and also through this whole process of getting shampooed. Like, it's not a big deal, suede will dry. Getting those nooks and crannies. Get into it. Yeah. Let it lather up on the shoe. All right. This is good. First one's done. Turn the water back on and rinse. Rinse off of the excess. Whoop. All right. Yo, plug. All right. Put this to the side. Start on the next one. The next one. And repeat the same process. Wasting water, sorry. Alright, alright, alright. Alright, that will do. Oh, New York, be quiet. Alright, rinse. Same step as before. Rinse, rinse, rinse. And then now, all we do is just damp. Press hard on the suede and get off the excess liquid. Alright. And then, yeah, just do that. Just get off the excess liquid right now. Alright. Yeah, the leather and the suede to dry evenly. You don't want any wet spots, you don't want... Alright, yep. That's good. And I'm pressing. I'm not rubbing, I'm just pressing firm. Alright. That would do. So these are both it. Let's move on to the table. Alright. Move this way. Oh, let's move it this way. Because of the light. So now we're gonna put, I would use paper, you can use newspaper, old shoe paper, just anything paper-wise just to soak up any water that maybe has gotten inside that you missed. Just put it inside, let it soak it up. Another one. Alright, put it inside evenly. And then now I'm just gonna bring it over. Ooh, bad angle, but now I'm just gonna bring it over, let it dry. Give it a whole 24 hours. Sorry, it's so close to the screen. Whole 24 hours just to dry, and that's it. Once you're down, I think I had a couple more to go. Let me look at the camera. I have a couple more to go, but I'll be good. I almost sound like I'm out of breath. I wasn't even doing anything too rigorous. All right, that's it for now. Look at him. Just look. What is... Bruh. I'm about to bring these back to life. Alright, I'm back. I know it's been like a couple days actually. Been a couple days. My boy had came to pick up his shoes, so I wasn't able to show like a before and after. I know I suck, I'm sorry, I messed up. But I do have another pair here that I did that I can show you. It's a little bit better than before, but this will give you an idea of just like how the product works. I think it came out very well considering the fact that it looked crazy. But here we go. So these are the shoes. There we go. A little bit better all around. Brought a little bit of the color back. We'll probably add another like layer of the spray to condition the suede a little bit more. But yeah, that's it for this video. Hope you guys come back. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I know my content will get better as I go on, but I'm just starting out, so just bear with me. Haha. Later, guys. Thank you.